Hello everyone, my name is Talari Vijay Kumar. My admission number is 2200180560. In this video, I am talking about type def and Bitfields in C. The type def is a keyword used in C programming to provide some meaningful names to the already existing variables in the C program. It behaves similarly as we define the alias for the commands. In short, we can say that this is keyword is used to redefine the name of the already existing variable. Syntax type def existing name space alias name. In the above syntax, existing name is the name of the already existing variable, while alias is another name given to the existing variable. For example, suppose we want to create a variable of type unsigned int, then it becomes a tedious task if we want to declare multiple variables of this type. To overcome problems, we use a typedef keyword. Now we can try the statement typedef unsigned int unit. In the above statement, we have declared the unit variable of type unsigned int by using a typedef keyword. Now we can create the variables of type unsigned int by writing the following statement: int space a comma b colon, instead of writing unsigned int a comma b semicolon. Now we can see a simple example for typedef. Hash include stdio.h int main, declaring the variables I and j using type, giving the value I is equals to 10 and j is equals to 20, and run the program. We get the output we get: value of I is 10, value of j is 20. Using typedef with structures, consider the below structure declaration: structure student, structure name, int age, struct student s1. In the above structure declaration, we have created the variable of student type by writing the following statement. To avoid such a big statement, we use the typedef keyword to create the variables of the type student, struct student, charm name, int age, type of structure student, stdu associated with s1 and s2. In the above statement, we have declared the variables stdio of type struct student. Now we use the std variable in a program to create the variables of type struct student. Another example, typedef the structure declaration. Now we can declare the variables age and s1. S1 shows the name of this student, and we have to enter the age of the student. It is stored in s1. And running the program, we get the output after we entering the student name and the age. Using typedef with pointers, we can also provide another name or alias name to the provided pointer variable with the help of the typedef. For example, we normally declare a pointer as shown below. In star space ptr, we can rename the above pointer variable we have given typedef in star space ptr. In the above statement, we have declared the variable of type int star. Now we can create the variable of type int star by simply using the ptr variable as shown given the other states. ptr space p1 p2. In the above statement, p1 and p2 are the variables of the type ptr. The another topic is Bitfields in C. In C, we can specify the size of the structure of the union members. The idea of the bitfield is to use the memory efficiently when we know the value of a field or a group of field will never exceed a limit or is within a small range. Bitfields are used when the storage of our program is limited. No need of bitfields in C program reduces memory consumption to make our program more efficient and flexible, easy to implement. Applications of Bitfields are if storage is limited, we can go for Bitfield. When device transmits status or information encoded into multiple bits for this type of situation, Bitfield is most efficient. Encryption routines needs to access the bits within a byte. In that situation, Bitfield is quite useful. The memory map of Bitfields as shown below. We can see the example program of Bitfields and the output. Yes, shown.